Today we'll be making chicken Varuval, a classic Indian dish. The first step is to marinate the chicken. Now over here I'm using 800 grams of chicken. So to marinate, first add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and now add in the ginger garlic paste. I'll be using 4 tablespoons. If you're wondering how to make ginger and garlic paste, I will link the video in the description box down below, so do make sure to check that out. Alright, so once all the ingredients have been added in, now you can mix it well. Make sure the chicken is well coated with all the ingredients. Once it is all well mixed, cover it, keep it aside, and we'll let it marinate for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it's time to cook. Add in oil, sufficient oil to your wok, frying pan. Now add in cinnamon stick once the oil is heated up. Add in 3 star anise, 3 cardamom, and 4 cloves. Now add in shallots. I'm using 6 shallots. Once you've added the shallots in, make sure to stir it. We'll continue stirring it until the onions are a little brown. That's when it's nicely cooked. So after 2 minutes, now I'm adding in curry leaves. So I'm using about 2 to 3 sprigs of curry leaves. And continue to stir it. After about a minute, now add in the marinated meat. Just to remind that we marinated the meat for 30 minutes. Once you've added all of them in, now stir it. Now we'll cover the wok with a lid and let it cook for 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
20 minutes have passed and the chicken looks good. Just give it a little stir. Right, so you see I've checked the meat is all nicely cooked. So now we can add in our next ingredient, which is chili powder. So add in 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Just sprinkle it over the meat. Add it in 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder. Half a teaspoon of garam masala. 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Now just mix all of the ingredients. Make sure the meat is well coated. If you like it a little spicier, at this point, after all the ingredients are well mixed, you can add in dried chilies. So it'll make your dish a whole lot spicier. Now cover the wok with a lid again, and we are going to let it cook for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, this is how the meat will look. So just give it a little stirring. And that's it. This is my version of chicken Varuval made at home. And of course, when it's an Indian dish, it's best paired with rice, vegetable, sodi, egg, as well as tairu. So tairu is always optional. Talk about the perfect meal to have on a Saturday afternoon, right? I'm going to enjoy my meal now. So thanks for watching, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.